Please like and subscribe my channel Cooking Shooking. Today I'm going to make pizza, that is barbecue pizza. It's 100-gram boneless. Please insert 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt and red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Insert barbecue sauce. Cook 10 minutes on low flame. Look at my chicken is ready now. Wow. Insert barbecue and chili garlic sauce. This is the mixture of both. Now spread the onion. Now spread the cheese. It's the mixture of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. After spreading the cheese on the pan, now I'm going to arrange the black olives for the topping. Now white olives. Now jalapeno in the middle. Now tomatoes. Now it's time for capsicum. Now marinated chicken. What a beautiful topping. Look at. This is thin crust pizza in Pakistan. First time I am making it. Preheated the pan for 5 minutes. Wow, what a tasty and nice. And now I'm going to taste it.